Today, we will check out another beach on the Pacific Ocean coast of Central California. The Cowell Ranch State Beach has beautiful views and plenty of sand-covered space to play. You will have to walk quite a distance to the shore from a small parking lot near Highway Number 1. But, in my opinion, a half-a-mile walk is rather an advantage than a hassle. And you will be able to see a one-of-a-kind whale gate right in the middle of the long stretch of fence on the south side of the road. It is a cute little whale, a bit rusty though. Behind the gate is a real agricultural field, proof that working farms still exist on the coast. Artichoke and Brussels sprouts are popular local crops. The gate marks approximately the place where the Ocean Shore Railroad used to be, bringing up to 3,000 passengers and 2 daily trips from San Francisco to Half Moon Bay until 1920. The place has many interpretive signs with interesting historical information about native Ohlone people who lived here for thousands of years. Also about Spaniards and Mexicans who received land grants and raised cattle for hides. And about whalers who hunted sea giants. The stagecoaches that could carry up to 25 passengers each, paying $4.50 to get across the mountains from San Francisco Bay to the ocean. There is a Cowell coastal trail along the cliffs, which is open on Saturdays, Sundays, and during holidays. It is supposed to be 3.6 miles long and ends up at another parking lot, but we did not try this one yet. The beach on the south side is not accessible and is occupied by a colony of harbor seals. The beach on the north is a real gem. Plenty of space and gorgeous views. Step down using wide and convenient staircase and enjoy your one-on-one with nature. The beach is covered with fine granite gravels of light brown color. Lots of cool stuff to explore. Waves are almost always big, and the shoreline is steep. So, do not get too close and watch your kids. The geology of the cliffs also seems to be interesting. You can find whale bones sticking out of the ancient marine deposits. Just be careful, because rocks do fall down from time to time, and you do not want to be at the base of the cliff when it happens. Lots of holes or borings made by prehistoric clams. On the top of the cliffs, or should we say bluffs, there are deposits with round stones. These are relatively young, only a few million years old. These layers look quite messy. Below are more uniform yellow-gray siltstones and blue-gray sandstones, belonging to Parishima Formation, 3 to 7 million years old. You can see the Parishima Formation all over the Pacific coast. The thin layer of yellow stuff deposited on these rocks looks like typical sulfur. Beware that when sulfur comes in contact with water, it forms a toxic gas called hydrogen sulfide that smells like rotten eggs. And at the concentration that humans can sense, it's also very dangerous. The roofs of Ritz-Carlton Hotel can be seen above the bluffs on the north side of the beach. The clouds were beautiful that day, adorned with rainbow colors. If you stay late, you'll see lots of wildlife appearing around the sunset. Birds of prey, quails, black red-winged birds, and rabbits. Cowell is the name of the last private owner of this land, which was bought by Peninsula Open Space Trust in 1986, allowing public access to the beach. The access part now belongs to the state of California, and we all can visit this wonderful place. Well, thanks for watching, and see you next time on another beach or a trail. Take care, and bye-bye!